Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. The Latina Baddie look is trending and today we're serving Mexican Latina Baddie vibes. Dark sultry eyes, snatched contour, big lashes and glossy lips. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the finished look. I've prepped my base starting with Revolution's Pore Blur, then a colour corrector for under eye darkness. I'm skipping concealer since MAC Studio Fix provides full coverage, then setting it all with MAC Studio Fix powder, pressing it into the skin using a dense foundation brush for a flawless finish. To start, I've used this light cream shade by Kiko to highlight under the brows. So to begin the eyes, I'll be using this Revolution bronzer with a large eyeshadow brush. I'll apply it using a swiping motion to create a soft blown out effect, extending it into a gentle V shape at the outer corner. I'll now use this deep warm brown shade by MAC with another large eyeshadow brush, starting at the outer corner to build depth, then using a buffing and swiping motion just below the first shade. Next, I'll use this dark brown shade and a flat brush to pack colour onto the eyelid. Then using a fluffy eyeshadow brush with the same shade, I'll blend it through the crease and extend it into the outer corner for a seamless transition. Next, I'll mix the warm and dark brown shades with a separate brush to further smooth the transition just above the crease. Now using a slim eyeshadow brush, I'll blend a mix of dark brown and black along the top lash line, extending it outward for a soft elongated effect. For added depth, I'll take an angled brush to apply black along the lash line, then soften any harsh edges with a pencil brush. To prep for mascara, I'm priming my lashes for extra volume, then I'll apply mascara by wiggling the wand from root to tip for maximum thickness. For the lower lashes, I build volume by moving the brush side to side before combing through. To finish the look, I'm adding MAC false lashes. For contour, I'm using the Revolution bronzer with a fluffy brush, buffing it under my cheekbones and angling the brush for a sharper, more sculpted look before blending it out for a soft finish. I'll also sweep it around my hairline for balance. Using a clean angled brush, I'll then refine the blend. For the nose, I'm taking a fan brush to contour under the tip and along the sides for a natural definition. For blush, I'm using MAC's Raisin shade, lightly sweeping it across the cheeks for a warm flush. To finish off the look, I'm lining my lips with MAC's Whirl Lip Liner, MAC's Yash Lipstick and Bobbi Brown's Sweet Talk Lip Gloss for the perfect nude glam pout. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give that like button some love and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to pass this along to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or be interested in collaborating. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and don't hesitate to DM me with any questions. I truly appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.